Downstairs we will see the new TXS-1100 machine. This machine is used for in-mould labels for the packaging industry. With the TXS we removed the existing control system and replaced it with CE and UL rated components. This machine has been converted in England by Warren Services. We'll be selling this machine into Europe and North America. This is one of many rooms that we're developing for R&D and will eventually become our new technical centre. We're going to be inviting clients to visit this area. They can bring their product with them. We can put their product on the machine and they can see how effective and efficient our new machinery will be. We've got about 5,000 square feet that we are dedicating to stainless steel fabricating and welding. In here we will be welding high-end fabrications for the food industry and medical. Our clients expect to come and see a very, very clean area, so we give them the confidence that we can develop and deliver their product to the standards that they require.